If you're looking into ViewOn AI, you're in the right place because today we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software. Whether you're new to AI tools or experienced, this video will help you understand if ViewOn AI is the right fit for your needs. And trust me, you'll want to stick around to the end because I'll reveal a secret feature that could save you hours of work every single week. Before we dive in, make sure to check out the link in the description below where you can try ViewOn AI completely free, no strings attached. Now, let's break it down. First up, ViewOn AI is designed to make digital marketing easier and more efficient, which is something we're all after, right? With just a few clicks, you can automate and streamline your processes, which, as you know, can save a ton of time. Whether you're creating content, analyzing data, or managing campaigns, ViewOn's AI does the heavy lifting for you. What sets ViewOn AI apart from others is its ability to generate high-quality content based on your input. You can feed it some basic ideas, and it will craft detailed, engaging content that's ready to go. This isn't just basic copywriting either. ViewOn AI understands the context of your message and tailors the tone and structure to fit the platform you're targeting, making it a powerful tool for social media posts, blogs, and even ads. Another thing you need to know about ViewOn AI is its robust analytics feature. It doesn't just create content, it also helps you measure how well that content is performing. If you're running marketing campaigns, ViewOn AI can track key performance indicators and give you a clear breakdown of what's working and what's not. This kind of real-time insight is invaluable, especially if you're looking to improve your ROI quickly. Let's talk automation. ViewOn AI isn't just a content generator. It automates repetitive tasks like scheduling posts, managing emails, and even segmenting audiences. This means less time spent on manual work and more time for strategy and growth. It's like having an extra team member who never takes a break. If you're concerned about ease of use, don't be. ViewOn AI is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be an AI expert to get the most out of it. The interface is intuitive, and it's designed to help you get started right away. Whether you're creating campaigns or analyzing results, everything is straightforward and simple to navigate. ViewOn AI also has excellent collaboration tools, which is perfect if you work with a team. You can seamlessly share and edit projects with others, making it easier to align everyone on goals and tasks. Plus, it has an excellent review system, which allows you to get feedback and make adjustments before you hit publish. Finally, let's talk pricing. While it may not be the cheapest AI software on the market, ViewOn AI offers solid value for what it delivers. And since you can try it out for free using the link in the description, you can test it for yourself before deciding if it's worth investing in. At the end of the day, ViewOn AI is an all-in-one solution that helps you save time, boost your productivity, and create content that resonates with your audience. If you're looking for an AI tool that covers content creation, analytics, automation, and collaboration, this could be exactly what you need. And remember, after trying thousands of AI tools myself, I've narrowed down my recommended AI software in the description below, so check those out as well if you're looking for something tailored to your needs. Give ViewOn AI a try and let me know what you think in the comments.